Happy morning, everyone. Myself, Cerulean, Grade-VII, Cerulean. Now it's please give to me money. Money is anything that people should buy good, and several most countries 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 have, such as United States has dollars. In India was rupees, etc. Act present generation without money. We can got money we like, and with money we can be happy also. So friends, be happy with what you can got, and don't waste your time.
India is my country. All Indians, all. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and wealthy heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all the elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity and on life, my happiness.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Julfikar. I am here to give a short speech on one of the cricketers. Do you all know who is the king of cricket? Yes, you are correct. That is none other than Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli born on November 5, 1988. He is an Indian international cricketer who plays Tests and ODI matches for Indian national team. A formal captain of the all formats of the game. Kohli returned T20 World Cup format following India once at 2024 T20 World Cup. Kohli is a right-hand batsman. Thank you, everyone. My name is Vimesh from Grade-VII, Cerulean. Here to give a short speech on best rider. Do you know who is the king of kabaddi? Yes, that is Pradeep Nerwal. He was born on 16 February 1997. He is an international kabaddi player who achieved and the plays for the Bengaluru Bulls in the Pro Kabaddi leagues and also Indian national team. Pradeep Nerwal was achieved a lot of the done kabaddi, and he achieved all the best rider in the Bengaluru Bulls. Thank you. Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Sumadara Shubhini, Shuvasini, Sumaduravasini, Sukadam Bharadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
My setting in 7th D. About now telling tables. 16 table reverse. 16 times 160, 16 9 144, 16 8 128, 16 7 112, 16 6 96, 16 5 80, 16 4 64, 16 3 48, 16 2 32, 16 1 16. Thank you.
Deforestation. I love environment because it care me, protect me, save me. Of no environment, low life. Grade-VII, Cerulean. Today I am short speech on environment. Our environment consists of all living beings. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surrounding.
My name is MD Haran from Grade-VII Cerulean. Today I am going to say news reading. International news. India, China organized silent on finger point. State news. 7 crore worth drugs seized at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Thank you. Have a nice
Good
day.
morning to everyone. My name is G. Charitas Gaud. I am studying in 7th D. Today I am going to ask you GK questions. First question. Which is the largest flower in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Rafflesia. Second question. Who is the king of cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Virat Kohli. Thank you.
My name is Vimesh from Grade-VII Cerulean. Here to give a thought. Thought. Never stop learning because life is never stop
Good morning to
teaching.
everyone. My name is G. Charitas Gaud. I am studying in 7th D. Today I am going to ask you GK questions. First question. Which is the largest flower in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Rafflesia. Second question. Who is the king of cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Virat Kohli. Thank you.